always knew I wanted to get into the design drafting field. Being an academic student, I always thought that I'd go to university, and I did. And after a year there, I found that I wasn't getting enough hands-on experience. The theory was fantastic, but I really wanted to get in there and get my hands dirty and learn all about how things went together. So I put my university career on hold, and I've applied for apprenticeship and really haven't looked back since. My name's Christine Stock, and I'm a fourth year mechanical engineering apprentice. I started off being a toolmaker, and I progressed into a design drafting field, which led me into my current position, which is a change request coordinator in the engineering department of Electrolux. Before I started my trade, I had no idea what toolmaking was about. I'm even having to explain it to my friends and family now. A lot of them go, "Oh, toolmaking, so you make screwdrivers?" And I'm like, no, it's nothing like that at all. Toolmaking, we make the moulds. Anything in life, for example, chairs, automotive parts, any plastic objects, toys, everything from that is made from moulds. And moulds have to be built by toolmakers, so that's how we get them. My apprenticeship has been for 4 years, and that's been spread out through 2 companies. I've spent the first 2 years on the shop floor, building and machining tools, and then in the CMM and metrology area, measuring them. I've been able to work on a lot of automotive products. I can see cars go down the street, Holdens and Mitsubishis, and I can point out the parts that I physically had involvement in making, and that's really good to be able to tell my friends, hey, see that Holden going down the street, you know, I did that on it. And then I progressed into the engineering department, at which point I was given the job at Electrolux, and I've spent the last year working in the engineering department here. There are 2 main ways to get an apprenticeship. You can either apply directly through a company and get an apprenticeship that way, or the second way is to apply through a group training scheme, which is the way I did it. I started off learning with machinery, lathes and turret mills and surface grinders, and a lot of hand machinery, and that progressed into me using the CAD skills and learning all about engineering and detailing. And so yeah, it's a whole progression throughout my trade. The thing I really love about my job is that the hands-on design. I get to hear all about the things that are being designed before they're actually made, and so it always gives you a really good feeling to say that, you know, you had that part in making something that so many people buy. It's really good. With an apprenticeship, the sky's the limit. You can stay with your company, you can work across the state, Australia, you can go worldwide with it. So it's something you can really travel with, which is a real advantage as well. My apprenticeship didn't just give me my skills and my trade. I think I really grew as a person. I was able to get the confidence to be able to speak as an individual, form my own opinions, and I just basically grew up through my career. With the shortage at the moment, there's a huge array of jobs of different fields and different pathways you can take. It's not limited, but you go in with nothing and you come out with everything. You learn all your skills along the way, and so you come out being qualified.